Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hi, I'm Chris.
Yeah, Chris is staying with me to the wholesale market today. I wanted to do a live stream, but since the connection is very bad and the video quality is so bad, so I rather film video so that you can see a clear one. So I have 3 missions today. The first one is to get the supplies for my customer, and I also will show you how I pick the bead strands. And the second is to get a very nice morganite bracelet for my friend Donna. Yeah, she's buying crystal again. And the third is to look for the fake morganite so that I can well prepared the next video about real or fake crystal. And before I do this, I will show you the elastic cord vendor and see what products they have. First gauge 呢個地方 ，OK? So that's the DIY tool vendor that I talked about. They sell big rose elastic cords or flat cords, and they sell the transparent cord and the braided cord and the stainless steel wire. Chris, 唔好嘈啊！ And they have so many different colors. And this elastic cords, they don't stick the brand name on it, so the reseller can have their brand names and stick on the rows. You see they have all kinds. Hello. 吃了呀？
两个都吃的都是
都吃了吗？看没？ These are all for my Hong Kong customer, and she's also a DIY jewelry maker. Right now, I'm picking the 10mm peach moonstone for her. For example, I picked these strands from the whole inventory, like it's about $5 per gram. I will pick the best from this inventory, like the flash and the color. Mostly I check the defect rate. Being a professional jewelry maker, you have to control the defect rate at least below 20% so that you won't throw away so many beads. If you want me to get supplies or source any crystal parts for you, you can send me a list of the stone name, quantity, and attach the photo of the quality you want and don't want, even your budget. We will start from there. There will be a conversation between me and the supplier coming next. Stay with the video. After I pick from the best, and then I will filter again and make the final decision. This is the boss lady from this shop and also my friend. I gotta say that she gave me a very huge help when I started my jewelry business back in 2012. This is also the first stop I dropped by, and I bought a lot of garnet strands from her. Yeah, so we became very good friends. And right now, I will ask her a few questions, like many customers may have the same questions. 就是网店上面啊，他们都有可能会写很多个 AA 啊，AAA 啊，然后5个 A 这样子。那到底这些 A 在批发商场里面有没有这种存在呢？
其实一批货我们出来，我们选的等级差不多就20-30个。那要是全部用 A 来做比较的话，就有20-30个 A。20-30个 A。市场上他们打 A 的话，只是他们的一个就是说寄货方式，知道这个是多少钱的。
明白了。特别是那个做 DIY 饰品的，他们都会选择长链，而不会选择手链。但是好的一些品质的话，基本上都是出现在手链。那为什么好品质就没有长链呢？
因为好品质一批货里面非常少，然后他们根本就没有那么多。穿长链的话，你要是颜色还有大小，你根本都配不齐的话，那你就穿不够。所以只有手链的等级，它有时候都是0.5的 size， 然后才能凑够一条珠子。
明白了，明白了。那么如果说10公斤的原石里面能出来多少条？就是高等级的好晶体的手链呢？
这种很少的，我们有时候一批货买起来都是500公斤这样买，你10公斤有时候可能就1颗珠子、2颗珠子。
10公斤还出来1颗2颗？
对呀、对呀、根本就
明白。就说所以凑成一条高等级手链的话，像这些碧玺这样子的，
这种的话，这种就是那个卖料的那些商家，他们把最好的料自己他也是一批料里面选几粒选起来，然后那我们就买高品质的那个料才能穿出来。你一般差品质的料，像这一些颜色的话，你根本就没有的。
好的。
We will be talking about morganite and aquamarine in the next video. So remember to stay with my channel. Hi Donner! I picked this morganite bracelets for you and it's beautiful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!